How's it going, guys? It's me again. Today I'm taking a look at Honor Band 5 unboxing and overview and compared to Honor Band 4, the previous generations. So this is Honor, and also you can say it's also Huawei Band 5. Actually it's the same. So let's check around the box itself first. So you got an AMOLED display, colorful watch face as usual. Pretty minimalistic stuff, and you got all the specifications and features at the back is showing here. On the side you got nothing. So let's take a little bit of comparison to Honor Band 4. Previous generations, the box seems to be exactly the same height. Honor Band 5 seems to be a little bit wider, and this one is a little bit, just a little bit, bigger than Honor Band 5. Anyway, so it's the same. Inside there, okay, so I'll put this aside first, and let's unbox these things. Okay, put that aside. Okay, wait. You got the usual stuff. Nothing else in here. You got the warranty card. Okay, bunch of language for this warranty card, and the manual as usual. Oh, okay, this is the other way around. It's kind of interesting. It's in Arabic, and it starts from right to left. Actually, still start from left to right. Well, anyway, still just warranty card. So a serial number here. Got the Honor Band 5. And it's pretty basic stuff. You got the charging dock here, proprietary charging dock with a USB to micro USB slot. So the Honor Band 5 color that I got here is kind of like a camouflage or dark green color, as you can see here. On the side, at the back, you got the heart rate sensors and okay, so let me just take it off. Okay, the Huawei Health apps here, and we'll do the first boot up. You can either choose Honor Band 4 or Band 5 for this one. Seems to be no. Apparently. For the initial setup, you gotta charge the Honor first, as it has some juice, and then you can power it on. And it will ask you to install health apps, which I already did here. So you can see there's a Honor Band 5 now. So just press Honor Band 5. Let it synchronize. It will ask you to synchronize here. You can see from here, and you just click yes, please. Continue. Notification, apps done. Alright, so yeah, there's that. It got 85% of juice left, which is pretty good. Let's quickly go to a firmware first, firmware update, if there's any update available. So it appears that I do. New version 1.1.0122. So I'll just let it update first, and I'll be right back. Alright, welcome back, guys. It seems to have a little bit of glitch here. Not really a glitch, but the Honor Band 5 took a long time for this to update. Even though this is like complete, you have to wait for, I think, like 5 or so minutes for this to completely synchronize everything, I guess. So there's that. It's finally updated to the latest version now. So one thing I like about this battery indicator here is like the decibel is every 1%. So just now it's like 85, it dropped to 83 after the update. For the previous Honor Band 4, it's decibel by 10%, it's like 80, and then 70, and then 60. It doesn't be like, 79, 78, and so on. So for the battery icon, it's much more precise, which I like it better on. So, but everything else is pretty much the same. From wear device, you got the steps, calorie, distance, watch face. If you click more, you can see all the watch face available for Honor Band 5. Okay. Oh wow, there's a lot you can install here actually. I'll quickly let you see through every single one of them. So you got much more interface, even have Avengers. That's cool. Whoa, didn't realize there's so much of it. But anyway, for the stock one, it got 8 of this, which is stocks right from the box. So you can download much more apparently. So for Huawei TrueSleep, it's still the same. Connected alarm, notifications, music playback control. You can control it from raise to switch screen, or you can press raise to wake up screen. Let's see. So finally it's like up to date now. So that's pretty much it from the apps itself. So let's see. Okay, so let's just close this and take a closer look from the watch, the band. The default face is this one with kind of like a gradient-ish paints all over. You swipe that up, you got the steps counter, heart rate, oxygen. I guess that's what it is. This is new. You don't get this from Honor Band 4. And Honor TrueSleep, workout, more, message, or you can control the music from here. Okay, if you press more, there's like timer, stopwatch, faces. You can change fine brightness, screen, battery, system. If you click system, it shows all these things. Okay, if you swipe from left, nothing. Swipe from right, nothing as well. If you press long enough for this one, it lets you change a different kind of face interface, where you got a lot, 8 of them, and of course you can download much more than that. And okay, so I'll do a quick comparison of Honor Band 5 and Honor Band 4 over here. So on the right side, you got the Honor Band 4. Let's see how much different they have. And of course, the one thing that's like much difference is like the icons change. This is much more like glowing and looks much nicer to the eye compared to this. This is still nice, just a different taste, I guess. Heart rate, also different icons. So TrueSleep, but this one have a new oxygen consumptions, I guess. And for the workout also, okay, so if you press workout, you can see outdoor run, same, indoor run, same, outdoor work, indoor work. So this is something new from Honor Band 5, indoor work. Indoor run, outdoor cycling, outdoor remains the same, indoor cycle, same. Course trainer, you got a pool swim on the Honor Band 4. Power, free training. So that's nothing more for Honor Band 4, but you got more from Honor Band 5. Let's see, cross trainer, power, indoor swimming, free training. So you got like three more than the previous generations. A little bit more features in Honor Band 5 apparently. So you got new features that it lets you control the music. So I'm gonna try the music now. So it does work. As you can see, I'm playing on my phone here. You can pause it, play it on the band, next, or previous. You can also control the volume, as you can see. You gotta be really like precise on it though, cause the screen is kind of small. So if you have like fat hand, it's gotta be a little bit complicated but this work. And also it can take pictures apparently with your shutter. So I'm gonna turn on camera apps now. So when it go to the camera apps, it straight away go to this one. The Honor Band 5 shows pictures that you can capture, like press, capture, right? Again, press, capture. So it's gonna be really useful if you're like this in a way and you want to take, the control of the phone via your Honor Band. There you have it. Much more watch face, a little bit more extra features as you will from previous generations. And of course the battery can last 2 weeks. But from my experience from Honor Band 4, usually it just lasts like 10 to 12 days the most. I never got like 14 days. I think 14 days more to you almost never turn on your screen or like really seldom. But still, 10 to 12 days is like a really good battery. And I'm gonna test out more for this Honor Band 5 and I'll give much more in-depth review soon. Okay, so this is how it looks on my hand. Attached really nicely. You got a small Honor branding over here on the strap cover, and you can see that the heart rate, everything is like working nicely now. Okay, let me just quickly measuring my heart rate now. Please stay still. Alright. 80 BPM. 86. Okay, so that's a little bit higher than usual. Alright, so there you have it. The Honor Band 5 quick first look unboxing and compare to the user interface of Honor Band 4 that I got here. So there's that. I'm gonna do more comparison of these two bands. And I'll see you guys in the next video to come. Hope you can subscribe to my channel. I upload more frequently now. And thanks for liking, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. See you again next time. Bye.